Ever spent hours wrestling with YAML files while your cluster spirals into chaos? Platform engineers know the pain of fragmented tools, manual configs, and auto scaling that feels more like guesswork. Enter the Kubernetes deployment pack, pre configured Helm charts with optimized values for Redis, PostgreSQL, and Nginx ingress controllers. We've baked in horizontal pod autoscaler templates with custom metrics, Prometheus Grafana dashboards for real time observability, and CI CD automation that actually works with Argo CD. This isn't just a tool chain, it's your new best friend for sleeping through on call rotations. Built for platform engineers, DevOps leads, SREs, and cloud architects who'd rather ship code than debug manifests. Here's what's inside the Kubernetes deployment pack. Cluster bootstrapping with kops and Terraform modules. Pre-built Helm charts with multi-environment overrides. Nginx ingress controllers configured for TLS termination and path-based routing. Horizontal pod autoscaler manifests tied to Prometheus metrics. Grafana dashboards preloaded with K8's node and pod level metrics. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just another tool, it's your end-to-end deployment pipeline in a box. Installing the Kubernetes deployment pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add kubernetes-deploy-pack. That's it. You'll get the entire workflow: cluster setup scripts, Helm chart repositories, Prometheus scrape configs, and autoscaler manifests. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands K8's affinity rules, can debug ingress 502s, and recommends autoscaler thresholds. You'll be shipping production-grade deployments faster than you can say kubectl apply. And trust me, your coffee will thank you.